Hey guys, what's up? So in this episode I'm going to be going over how you can get out of your creative rut. So for most photographers and videographers, they'll find themselves in a creative rut at some point in their careers or in their hobbies. The reason for this is that people get disinterested, they become demotivated and uninspired by what they're doing. And the way that these people get out of these things is by listening to music, watching something that inspires them, or just trying something different, getting outside and doing something they haven't done in a while. What is one of the best ways to actually stimulate your creativity? One of the best ways is actually to restrict what you're doing. Now the reason why this works is because it focuses you on being resourceful with what you already have, as opposed to thinking about the things that you don't have. So take for example the challenge that I set myself today, which is to film a 1-minute video within a boring room. Now, obviously, you're not going to be inspired by the room, there is nothing interesting about the room, but it focuses you on being resourceful with what you've got. It also focuses you on thinking about how can I actually make this interesting, what story can I come up with, and what's the best way to make best use of what I actually have. Because too many times what people do is they think about the things that they don't have. I hear it all the time with cameras. People will say that, oh, I wish I could film that, but I don't have this or this. And you can still make something with your phone. It shoots 4K, it shoots 1080 at 60 frames per second, which is absolutely fine. But people are thinking, and the reason why they're not making anything is because they're thinking about what they don't have. When you start to actually be resourceful, when you actually start to think about what you do have rather, trying to find ways to make it the most interesting with what you do have, then you find that you'll naturally, your mind will start to wander and you'll start to actually bring about some of the creativity that you lost beforehand and the reason why you were in the creative rut. So I'm going to show you a 1-minute video that I made today. It's on social media and this was the challenge that I set myself.
Everyone in the restaurant was looking at their phone.
I was distracted in conversations, anxiety, social media. Addictive.
Just like many people, I've noticed myself waste hours on social media. I feel like I start comparing myself to others, becoming less productive and feeling worse about myself. Just like many others, I'm trying to cut down how much I use social media. Don't let social media take over your life.
So the challenge is exactly the same for you guys. So you've got to make a 1-minute video in a boring room and try and make the best out of the situation that you've got. That'll focus you on improving your creativity and just thinking about what you do have and using the resources that you do have and getting creative with those resources. So thank you very much for watching, guys. I really appreciate that. I'll be bringing out a lot more videos next week and over the coming weeks. If you're not already subscribed, hit that subscribe button. Also, my presets are now on sale. Link is in the description below, and I will see you next time. Peace.